Microsoft is making things tough for Windows 11 users this year. People are facing several issues with their last 3 updates. Updates are supposed to make things better for you, but Windows 11's recent updates caused a lot of havoc. Several users have reported errors during installation. The internet stopped working, Bluetooth connection issues while playing the games, and many other issues. Let's address the issues people face with the recent Windows 11 updates. Microsoft released a few updates in January 2026. These updates cause issues such as OS freeze, unexpected restart or shutdown, BSOD boot failures, broken remote desktop connection, and other issues. Released on January 13th, the KB5074-109 update causes these issues, which people have reported on several platforms. When the issues erupted, Microsoft released 2 updates to address these problems. The update KB50777444, released on January 17th, and KB5078127, released on January 24th, were the out-of-band updates. These updates were not scheduled to be released, but when something needs to be fixed on an urgent basis, Microsoft releases the out-of-band updates. So by the end of January, the issues that were started on January 13th were resolved. But that was not it. In the coming next month, Microsoft released KB50778181 on February 10th. This update was intended to bring some feature improvements, but it brought a lot of havoc. The first issue users faced was the error during the installation. Computers were crashing and users saw several errors. Users who were able to install the update faced other issues. Restart loops, system freezes, sign-in failures, frame drops during gaming were the complicated issues people faced. But issues like DHCP errors and Bluetooth devices not connecting, users won't even realize that these were caused by the update they installed. And the Microsoft Update Catalog doesn't even mention these issues. DHCP issues and Bluetooth device issues were resolved by resetting the network settings. But to fix other issues, people had to wait for the next update. The update, which was released on February 24th, was titled KB50777241, but not as an out-of-band update. It was a feature preview update that solved a few issues. If you are interested in the features that this update brings, I have another video on that. You can click on the I button or check the description for the link. But in this video, I will talk about the issues it brought. This update also has issues with the installation. Users seen the update rollback after reaching 98%. Sometimes the PC gets stuck at the 98%, sometimes it shows an error. Some users also reported that the update causes audio corruption, start menu malfunction, UI, and language resets. So far in the past 2 months, every update Microsoft sent to Windows 11 has caused more issues than it was supposed to fix. Users had a hard time finding solutions to these issues, but the ultimate solution was to uninstall the update or stop the updates from installing. Why are updates causing issues more these days? Are they not testing it properly? The truth is, Microsoft is aggressively integrating AI into its operating system. They want AI to be on every platform. The only thing that they are not realizing is that users are now impatient. This is why people are shifting to Linux more these days. Not only are normal users, but governments are also shifting to Linux. Microsoft seriously needs to think about its strategy with the updates. Maybe reduce the frequency, test the update more before rolling it out. What's your take on this? Have you faced any issues after updating your PC recently? Drop a comment. This is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.